Current market challenges are many. Cost of living crisis is creating an affordability issue. Interest rates is also creating an affordability issue. And lack of supply is creating a cost pull issue as well. Alongside various government policies such as non-doms being challenged at the moment, along with inheritance tax, and we're seeing people move out of London, coupled with Brexit, is creating severe challenges for the prime central London market.
Current market challenges have been the waiting for election results, waiting for budget results, very high interest rates, relatively high inflation rates. But we've seen the interest rates coming down, which is a very good positive thing. We've seen a gradual reduction on the inflation, although that's crept up again today, unfortunately. But overall, the challenges have been political change and inflationary issues, and that has made people sit on their hands.
Is still the fallout from the budget, because there's a lot of tax advice being taken by a lot of people. And so whilst I haven't seen a big problem as a consequence of it, seems to be wearable, it's the jury's still out slightly.
I think the market challenge has been the same for a while, and that is the crippling amount of stamp duty that you have to pay. So that really makes it difficult for people to, on top of the budget that they have to set aside to buy a property, which you can often, raise finance against, they also have to come up with stamp duty. So that means that you really need to make a decision for the medium term, not for the short term, in order to be able to accommodate for the high stamp duty that's in the marketplace.
There's a lot of people sitting on the fence. They are people who probably do want to buy, but they're not sure whether it's the right moment. But you could wait a long time waiting for the right moment and miss whatever it is you're trying to sort of find. And if people want a home, they should just go ahead and buy. As the king of London estate agency said, you can never pay too much, you can only pay too soon.
So I think there are a lot of current challenges in the market at the moment, and I think the most important one is lack of stock. And lack of stock is because there are very few investors coming into the market, coupled with some investors exiting. And those two factors mean there's reducing supply, we still have very strong demand, and that's a big problem. It's a big problem not because rental yields are going up, just this massive imbalance. And while we have build to rent coming in, that is still not enough supply. And lots of tenants don't want to buy from build to rent people. They want to rent from build to rent people. They want to rent from individual landlords. So I think that is the biggest challenge we have, the lack of supply.